shattered road, bare feet bleed on stone so cold. Tangled in a web so tight, trapped within this endless night. Shadows stalk with every turn, heart of flames that never burn. Tearing through the silent screams, waking from these twisted dreams. Walking down the shattered road, bare feet bleed on stone so cold, cold. Tangled in a web so tight, trapped within this endless night, Shadows stuck with every turn, heart of flames that never burn. Tearing through the silent screams, waking from these twisted dreams. Caught in barbed wire, sharp and steel desire, bleeding through the fire. Caught in barbed wire, whispers in the dark so loud, loud. Lost beneath the shrouded cloud, leading through the fire. Caught in barbed wire, whispers in the dark so loud. Lost beneath the shrouded cloud, chains that bind us close to pain. Running through this torrid rain, can't escape this grip so fierce. Every step another pierce, free and feel so far away. Chasing down the light of day, scars that tell a story. Oh, oh, breaking free from icy hold, finding strength within the mind, rising from the barbed wire. Whispers in the dark so loud, lost beneath the shrouded cloud. Chains that bind us close to pain. Whispers in the dark so loud, lost beneath the shrouded cloud. Chains that bind us close to pain. Running through this torrid rain, can't escape this grip so fierce. Every step another pierce, free and feel so far away. Chasing down the light of day, scars that tell a story old. Breaking free from icy hold, finding strength within the night, rising from the barbed wire. Walking down the shattered road, bare feet bleed on stone so cold. Tangled in a web so tight, trapped within this endless night.